my channel. So today's video is going to be my New Year's resolutions, and I know that this video is just a little bit late, but I felt like it was better late than never. And I don't think I've ever done one of these kind of videos on my channel before in the past, but I just wanted to get on here and share with you guys my goals for 2018. It sounds so weird saying 2018. I still remember what I was doing pretty much every single day last year, and it's crazy because it just literally flew by, and I feel like each year that goes by it's a better chance to make more goals bigger for yourself. And if your dreams don't scare you, then you need to challenge yourself bigger and better. So I decided to write down what my New Year's resolutions were, and I do want to work on them throughout 2018. So yeah, I'm going to share with you guys today what my New Year's resolutions are. So if you guys want to know what they are, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing is my video quality. I feel like throughout this year especially, I've kind of struggled with lighting and camera quality, and I've been trying to kind of work on that, and Tanya has actually been helping me with my lighting, but I feel like I still haven't really gotten it down, and I do want my video quality to look best for you guys, especially because you are the one that's watching me. And obviously if my video quality isn't that good, I feel like I'm not gonna keep growing on YouTube, which is kind of scary, to be honest, because I feel like I constantly have to be updating my quality, because nowadays people just film in 4K, and I'm just like, I don't even know how to begin to even do that. So I do try to get filming equipment so that I can better my quality for you guys. And I actually recently just bought a new camera. If you guys didn't know, if you guys don't follow me on Snapchat, I bought another camera, this is like my almost like 5th camera that I've had since I started my YouTube channel. But this is the Canon 80D, and I felt like it was just going to be better for videos, and I did go ahead and pick that up. And I've also recently got a drone for Christmas, which I'm super excited about, because if you guys have followed me anywhere, you know that I've been wanting a drone for so long, and I was actually going to purchase it for myself once I pay off my camera, and I actually got it for Christmas from my parents. And so yeah, now I'm going to be filming more videos for you guys, like more creative videos. That's really what I want to do with my channel, is just put more creativity into my videos, because I feel like I kind of just sit down in my room and film tutorials all the time, and I feel like sometimes that gets a little bit boring. I do want to incorporate lifestyle videos as well, because I feel like there's more to my life than just sitting down doing makeup tutorials. You know, I go out a lot, and I kind of just want to show you guys what I do outside of my bedroom filming and doing makeup. So I do want to incorporate that. Something else I really want to work on is putting out more content for you guys, because I know there was a time period where I would film like 3 times a week, and I was constantly like uploading, but I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I've been feeling like nobody's really watching my videos, and I start to feel like really discouraged. I don't really put out that much content anymore, and I kind of just film whenever I want and then put it up whenever I want. But I really want you guys to help me with this, and like just tell me what you want me to film, because I feel like I constantly run out of ideas on what to film and what I should do. So definitely keep me motivated and let me know what you guys would want to see from me. But yeah, I do want to start uploading 3 times a week again, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, because that was my schedule. So I really want to get back to doing that as well. Something else that I want to do in 2018 is definitely travel. I know there was a time period where I was traveling like so much. Like, I feel like I traveled like 3 times in 1 year. I would go to Dallas, I would go to California, I would go to San Francisco, and now I just feel like it's kind of just died down, which I did tell myself in 2017 I wasn't going to travel, that I just really wanted to focus on my YouTube channel, but that just didn't work out for some reason, because I was busy with other stuff. But in 2018 I do really want to start traveling again, even if it's not like across to, you know, California. I still want to, you know, visit other places, and I definitely want to document that as well for you, which comes into place of vlogging, which is something else I want to really start doing. If you guys didn't know, I do have a second channel and it is a channel where I vlog. And I used to vlog a lot. Like, I used to do Vlogmas and then kind of just vlog anytime something exciting would happen, but I haven't been vlogging just because I recently bought a car and I really need a car mount. And it's weird because any car mount that I've ever found to actually vlog doesn't really work out on my car, so I want to, you know, vlog in the car obviously, but I haven't found a mount yet. So as soon as I find that mount that works perfectly and doesn't fall or anything, I will start vlogging more for you guys. I loved documenting my life and then just showing you guys what is outside of making makeup tutorials and doing makeup. So if you guys would like to see my vlogging channel, I will link it down below. I believe it's always linked down below. But yeah, it's just, I think it's Miss Daily Lexi or something like that. I don't really remember the name because I haven't been on there in so long. But I do want to start vlogging more for you guys so you can see other stuff besides, you know, makeup tutorials. Something else I really want to do along the lines of YouTube is I want to start collabing with different people. Like, I haven't collabed with somebody other than Tanya in like forever, which I love collabing with her and I'm always thankful for that, but I just want to meet new people. Like, I feel like on YouTube it's super hard to make friends and, you know, collab with people, especially people that have more subscribers than you. I just don't feel comfortable going up to them and asking them because I feel like they either have like a bad response to it, or I just feel like they think that I just want their subscribers. But I just really want to make friends on YouTube and just find people that do what I do, because I feel like that is something that keeps you motivated, is having people in your life that kind of do the same things that you do and that you love. So I do really want to collab with more people, make more YouTube friends, because I only have a couple of girls that I'm really close to on YouTube. So that is another thing that I really want to work on. Okay, so something that's like totally off of YouTube. This is something that I kind of struggle with, and it's kind of embarrassing to say, but I cannot wake up early for the life of me, and I just feel like I just need to start waking up early. And even Ricardo gets mad at me. He's like, you need to start waking up early. I don't know why, I just can't wake up early. Like, I've never really have been able to wake up early. The only time I was able to wake up early is when I was going to school. You know, back in high school I would wake up early, do my makeup, do my hair, but now I just can't get with it. Like, I go to work at 10 all the time, and I just can never wake up early. I wake up last minute and I barely have time to do my makeup and my hair, and I really want to start just waking up early, you know, drinking my coffee and just doing my hair and my makeup and just feeling like super confident and comfortable with myself. There's something I do want to work on, is just waking up early and getting a nice routine going for the morning time. So something else that I really want to work on for 2018 is definitely losing weight. I feel like this has been kind of a struggle for the past like 2 years. There was a time period where, you know, I was eating super healthy and I lost a bunch of weight, and I think I lost about like 35 pounds, 30 pounds, something like that. And I felt like super accomplished, and I was just really happy with myself because I was working out and eating healthier, and I just felt comfortable in my own skin. But now I feel like I just kind of have fallen back on that, and I just really want to work on getting back into that and just being healthier for myself and just eating healthier, because I feel like I just eat way too much junk. I am addicted to sweets, which is something that's not good. But other than that, I have pretty much a healthy diet. I only drink water, and I mean, I wouldn't say I eat horrible, because it could be worse, but I think the only thing that I really struggle with is sweets. Like, I love sweets, so I definitely want to start working out and eating healthier and just lose weight and get more toned and fit. Else that I really want to work on in 2018 is definitely learning how to cook and bake. I know how to cook like very, very simple stuff. It's mainly like just breakfast, and it's kind of sad because I'm already 23 and I don't really know how to cook a full-on meal. So I do want to definitely learn how to do that, and I want to maybe start like cooking videos and do something like that, because I know that my mom has really wanted me to kind of do that for both of us, and I think that that would be super exciting and kind of fun and different on my channel, and just make it like really cute. Like, I want to teach you guys how to make like macaroons and like cute cookies and stuff like that, maybe cupcakes, or I don't know, like different stuff like that you don't really find on YouTube. So I definitely want to maybe incorporate that, but I do want to start trying to learn how to do that stuff, cooking and baking, and yeah, we'll see how that goes in 2018. Something else that's kind of like huge that I really want to accomplish this year, and I've kind of been working on it here and there, but if you guys didn't know, I do work for Estee Lauder, and I've been with them for 4 years now, and I have moved up gradually, but I haven't hit exactly where I want to be yet. So at first I started off with, you know, just being a beauty advisor part-time, and then after I believe it was 2 years of being there, I moved up to a counter manager, so now I'm a counter manager. But definitely something that I want to do and accomplish in 2018 is just getting my certification from there, and then moving up to maybe an educator where I can actually teach not only on, you know, videos. I can actually teach a room full of people, full of girls, and just teach them how to do makeup and skincare, like do a seminar. That's really something that I want to do. And even if I don't get to do it with like just Estee Lauder companies, I really want to do something where you know, I could do something like in Dallas where I have a class in Dallas and I could just like teach you guys how to do makeup in person, if that makes sense. Like, I've seen people do that, and that's something that's super exciting and something that I would definitely love to do. Maybe not in 2018, maybe in the future, but that's something I want to grow towards, if that makes sense. So I do really want to do that as well in 2018, and hopefully I can accomplish that. But it's just like a process of like getting there. So I think I'm just going to try my hardest to work towards that in 2018. So that is going to be it. I know it was kind of short and sweet, but I just really wanted to get on here and kind of like document it. That way I have, you know, this to look back on when the year ends and see if I have accomplished any of these things. But yeah, if you guys would like to leave me your New Year's resolutions down below, I would love to hear yours as well, and maybe we might have some similar ones and we can chat about it. So definitely leave me a comment down below, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell down below. That way you guys can be notified when I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video.